What's the meaning of carob tree? Carob tree. Carob tree.
Carob tree. Carob tree. The carob tree is a species of flowering evergreen shrub or tree native to the Mediterranean region. It produces long, brown pods that contain a sweet, edible pulp and seeds. The tree has many uses, including as a shade tree, for erosion control, and in traditional medicine. The pulp of the carob pod can be used as a substitute for chocolate, and it is also used as a natural sweetener and thickener in food products. Overall, the carob tree is a versatile and important plant with a rich history of human use.